The 2022 Lamborghini Huracan STO, Super Trofeo Omologata is a high-performance sports car that was created to celebrate Lamborghini's success in motorsports, and pay homage to the brand's racing heritage. This supercar was unveiled in late 2021 and quickly became one of the most anticipated vehicles in the industry. The Huracan STO is built on a lightweight hybrid chassis made from aluminum and carbon fiber, which gives it excellent handling and responsiveness. The aerodynamics of the car have been optimized for performance, with a large rear wing, front splitter, and air vents to increase downforce and stability. The STO also features a modified suspension system and larger brakes for improved track performance. Under the hood of the Huracan STO lies a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces 630 horsepower and 417 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that allows for lightning-fast gear changes, making the car incredibly responsive and fun to drive. The Huracan STO can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds, and reach a top speed of 202 miles per hour. In terms of aesthetics, the Huracan STO is a masterpiece of design. The body of the car is finished in a variety of bold and aggressive colors, with racing-inspired stripes and graphics that pay homage to Lamborghini's racing heritage. The interior of the car is equally impressive, with premium materials and advanced technology features, including a large infotainment system and a digital gauge cluster. The 2022 Lamborghini Huracan STO is a limited edition model, with only a few hundred units being produced each year. The base price of the car is $328,000, which is a significant investment, but for those who want the ultimate driving experience, the Huracan STO is definitely worth it. The package includes a host of performance-enhancing features and premium materials, making it one of the most exclusive and coveted vehicles on the market today. The Huracan STO also features a unique cabin design with exposed carbon fiber elements, giving the driver a more immersive and connected feel to the car. The seats are made of a combination of Alcantara and leather, providing both comfort and grip. The steering wheel is designed to be lightweight and ergonomic, making it easier to control the car at high speeds. One of the most interesting features of the Huracan STO is its active aerodynamic system, which adjusts the angle of the rear wing and front splitter to optimize performance based on driving conditions. This system is controlled by an algorithm that calculates the perfect angle for maximum downforce and stability, providing an extra level of precision and control. Another standout feature of the Huracan STO is its active sound management system, which adjusts the engine note based on the driving mode selected. In Strada mode, the car produces a more refined, cultured sound, while in Sport mode, the engine note is raw and aggressive, providing an unforgettable driving experience. For those who love to hit the track, the Huracan STO comes with a host of performance-enhancing features, including an advanced traction control system, high-performance tires, and a high-performance braking system. The car also features a track telemetry system that provides real-time performance data, allowing drivers to track their lap times and make adjustments for improved performance. Finally, the Huracan STO is a car with a purpose. A portion of the proceeds from each sale is donated to support environmental initiatives and organizations that are working to protect our planet. So not only will you be getting a high-performance sports car, but you'll also be doing your part to support a good cause. In short, the 2022 Lamborghini Huracan STO is a true masterpiece of engineering, design, and performance. With its impressive list of features and its commitment to sustainability, this car is sure to become a classic in the years to come. In conclusion, the 2022 Lamborghini Huracan STO is a true work of art and a testament to the brand's commitment to performance and style. With its lightweight construction, powerful engine, and aggressive aerodynamics, this supercar is a must-have for any collector or car enthusiast who wants the ultimate driving experience.